1978 Ford Bronco, the ever popular 4x4. This one, as you can see, has been lifted. Orange and white paint scheme, V8 power underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Manual transfer case, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front bumper, grille. Take a look at the chrome. Nice shape, headlight surrounds. Paint shows well on this one also. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, so you can see the undersides, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look around the wheel wells. I believe this was DSO San Jose, California. It's a California vehicle originally. 72. We'll take a look at that door tag when I slip around to the driver's side. We'll check out the interior, get in it, start it up, let you see the engine bay. But also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Appears it would have had the spare. I believe that would be for the brackets and apparatus for the spare on the rear of it. The holes are. And again, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see in the rear of it. Again, engine bay, undersides. Check out the lift. Interior does show a little wear. Paint's obviously newer than the interior. It's like pretty original interior. Like I mentioned earlier, seats do show some wear. Carpeting, corners. Hop in here a second as we start it up. You hear it run. Kenwood aftermarket stereo. Fuel gauge appears to be working coming up here. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temperature gauge to be moved. We do have some aftermarket gauges down below with the oil pressure, voltmeter, and also another temperature gauge. So there's Kenwood stereo is working. Stereo system working. And again, looks like it still retains the stock dash. Door closes nicely, slip around to the back seat here to run. If you're in the market for one of these, you know they're getting fewer and farther in between, tough ones to find. Alright, let me pause this a second. I'm going to pop that hood so we can check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There it is, V8. According to the VIN H, I believe this has been born with a 351, so give you an idea. HEI ignition, again, power steering, power brakes, 4-barrel carb. '78 Ford Bronco 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.